Hey Penny welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today, look what I'm sharing with you. Today I'm sharing my brand new dining table, how I unboxed it and put it together. So just keep on watching. So what you're looking at here are all the boxes that got delivered today, which are the dining table and the chairs. So here is the top of it. This box has the base, and these boxes back here along the wall are the chairs. The gentleman was supposed to come and fit it up today, put everything together. I haven't seen or heard from him, so I'm gonna fit it up myself. So let's go. Okay, so this is the base itself that sits on the floor. And then we have the pedestal piece that I just took out of the box. I haven't seen any instructions. It comes with a whole bunch of screws, so I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what goes where. And I'm putting this table up. I'm not about to wait for somebody to come when they feel like it, because I need to get this table going. So let's go. Okay, so my sweet baby Amoya and I have put the base and the pedestal together. And now there is another piece that we have to get on top of here before we can put the mirror on. The mirror is heavy. Why do I call it the mirror? The tabletop, the glass, it is super heavy. It's gonna take about 4 people to pick it up. I'll come back and show you my progress. Okay, so we got this part on. All the way around, we have connected the top. And all we have to do now really is to get the glass on top of it. It is super heavy, so I'm waiting for a little bit of muscle to come and help us to put it on this table. But so far so good. I like it. I can't wait to see how everything comes together. I'm about to start taking the boxes with the chairs down and see how everything looks together. Just giving you a peek off the chairs. I've opened one of the boxes, and one box has 2 chairs in it. We went from 8 chairs to a 6-seater table, because the other one that we saw was just super big, so we went a little bit smaller. But this is what the chairs look like, with the chrome legs to match the base of the table. I did not go with the original chairs that comes with the table, because I just didn't like them. They were a little bit much, and then when we sat on them, they were super hard, so we were like, no. So I substituted these chairs. Let me go ahead and take them out the box. So this is what the chairs look like. They have the tufted back with the nail head trim, and the chrome legs, like I said, to match the base of the table. Absolutely gorge. And the back of it has the door knocker with more nail head trim going all the way down the sides and the bottom. Okay guys, the table is all put together, but before I show you the overview of it, I want to show you first the carpet that I chose to go with it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was actually a carpet manufacturer that was having a sale, and they put it on Facebook Marketplace, and I went and picked up this beautiful piece. I will try to leave some information in the link below if you are in the Toronto area and want to check these people out. I'll leave some information below. And I also wanted to show you the pedestal before I put the chairs back, and show you the entire thing. Okay, so here it is. It is absolutely stunning. And I knew it was a beautiful table, but oh my goodness, putting it together and just watching it come to life, It is absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at that base. So beautiful. And here it is all together. Absolutely gorge with the chairs. And remember I said earlier that I did not choose the chairs that they come with. I didn't really like them, and they were so hard to sit on. When you sat on them, it felt like rocks. I literally felt like I was sitting on the ground. So I was like, no, I don't want these chairs. So I just mixed it with these gray ones. And I just absolutely love the way everything looks together. Now, I remember I told you that I'm downsizing from an 8-seater. This looks so small in here, but we're getting used to it with the 6 chairs. I love it. There's no need for me to have 8 chairs anymore. And I don't regret getting rid of my old table, because this one is absolutely stunning. And again, I'm glad that I chose these gray chairs and I did not go with the original ones. I just created a small little vignette for now, just to show you what it looks like. But you know, over time you will see different things going on with this table. You will be able to see tablescapes for like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and the like. But just for the sake of showing you and for the sake of this video, I just went ahead and just put this little vignette together, so you'll have an idea of what it looks like with some decor on it. So like I stated before, just showing you that the legs of the chairs match the base of the table. Everything is chrome. And then the top is like black mirror. Absolutely gorgeous. Happy with my choice. Even though this was not what I intended to get at the beginning of everything, I wanted to get a longer, maybe an off-white or something wood-based in white or cream or something that of that nature. But I saw this and I was like, okay, I'm going to give this a try. And I'm really pleased with how it came out. And see guys, I did it myself with my daughter. We put everything together and saved my money. I still haven't heard from the guy who was supposed to come and set it up, but it's okay. No need to hear from him anymore, because my table is up and I can literally have dinner there tonight if I wanted to. Everything about it is just gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is all I have for you today. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on this new table. I've been sharing dining tables on my Instagram page for a little while, and I actually shared this one yesterday just to kind of get some feedback. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's the same name, The Glamorous Penny Pincher. Go over there and check me out, because I do post a lot of stuff on Instagram, sometimes even when I can't get to post over here on YouTube. All right. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate your presence and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying bye-bye.